In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Canva to Google Docs. If you create reports, proposals, or handouts and want them to look polished without juggling multiple tabs, connecting Canva directly inside Google Docs is a simple way to bring professional designs into your document while you write. Start by opening Google Docs and heading to the document you want to enhance. You can create a new document or open an existing one, either works. It's helpful to have a clear spot in mind where you'd like to place a graphic or design, because once the connection is set up, you'll be able to insert visuals right where you need them. Next, look at the top menu bar inside your Google Doc. Click Extensions, then choose Add-ons, and select Get Add-ons. This opens the Google Workspace Marketplace, which is where you safely add tools that work inside Docs. In the search box, type Canva and press Enter. You are looking for the official Canva add-on, which will mention Docs compatibility in the listing. Open the listing and click Install. Follow the prompts to confirm. This process links the add onto your Google account so it can appear inside Docs and help you bring in Canva designs without leaving your document. Once installation is complete, you'll notice Canva available under the Extensions menu in your document. From there, you can access Canva's tools directly in a sidebar, letting you search designs, templates, or elements and place them into your document with just a few clicks. This is especially useful for headers, custom graphics, and simple layouts that would take much longer to build from scratch in Docs. A few quick tips to make this smooth. If you don't see the Canva option right away, try closing and reopening the document so the menu refreshes. When searching the marketplace, look for the verified listing so you know you are installing the correct tool. If your organization manages your Google account, you may see a message that add-ons are restricted. In that case, you'll need admin approval before you can proceed. And if a confirmation window doesn't appear during install, check whether your browser is blocking pop-ups for Google Docs. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.